I'm going to show you how to fix Fallout New Vegas loading issue. Make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you should go to the Windows taskbar and select this upside arrow. Now, if you do find the launcher that you have the game on appearing like this, make sure to right click on it, select exit. After that, for the next step, go to the search and type in settings, open that. After that, go to Windows Update, bottom left corner. Now make sure to download and install all available updates. If you do have stuck updates, go to Update History, deselect the first two options, scroll down and select Uninstall Updates or select Recovery. After that, you can select Reinstall Now or select the first option. After that, go to Other Troubleshooters, select Run and see if it works. For the next step, go to the search and type in NVIDIA and make sure to open this NVIDIA app. It should be appearing if you do have an NVIDIA graphics card. Now, go to the left menu and select this driver icon and make sure to download the latest available driver you will find. Now, go to Settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. For the next step, make sure to open the launcher that you have the game on. Now go to Library and then go to Collections where you have the game. From here, look for the Fallout game. The game must be installed, so once you select it, click on this gear icon and then click on Properties. After that, select Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. You should wait for the process to finish so it verify and recover any corrupted or missing files. After that, close everything. Before trying to relaunch the game again and see if it works, I recommend going to the Windows icon and then try restarting your computer first. And that's it. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.